You spent a fortune on those designer light switches. They match your walls perfectly. They have that satisfying heavy click every time you walk into the room. Then you decide you want a smart home. Most people think that means replacing those beautiful switches with cheap-looking plastic buttons. It feels like a step backward. But there is a way to keep the look you love while gaining all the high-tech brains you want. We are looking at a clever little module that hides right inside your wall. It sits tucked away in the electrical box. You never have to see it. This little square of tech allows your existing expensive switches to talk to your phone. It supports that new universal language for smart devices. That means it plays nice with whatever ecosystem you already use. Whether you are an Apple fan or a Google devotee, it just works. No more worrying about which hub you bought 3 years ago. It bridges the gap perfectly. One of the coolest things under the hood is something called zero crossing protection. Most cheap smart switches wear out fast. They have internal parts that click together and eventually burn out from the tiny sparks that happen when you turn lights on. This module is different. It times the switch to happen at the exact moment the electrical cycle is at its weakest point. It is basically a longevity superpower. They say it can last up to 10 times longer than the bargain bin versions. That is a decade of flipping switches without a single failure. Now, there is a catch you need to know about. You absolutely need a neutral wire in your wall box. If your house was built many decades ago and never updated, you might be out of luck. But for most modern homes, it is a straightforward upgrade. Safety is also a huge priority here. It has built-in sensors to watch out for overheating. If things get too hot or if there is a power surge, it shuts itself down before anything bad happens. It turns your home into a genius setup without ruining the vibe of your interior design. You get the convenience of voice commands and automated schedules. You still get to keep those classy switches that cost you a wing and a prayer. It is the best of both worlds. It makes the whole concept of a smart home feel less like a science project and more like a luxury upgrade. You do not have to be an electrical engineer to appreciate how seamless this feels once it is tucked away. It is reliable, it is invisible, and it solves the biggest aesthetic problem in home automation. Think about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your lights will actually turn on every single time. No more devices dropping off your network because of a bad connection. It is the gold standard for anyone who wants a modern home that still looks like a home. You can set up scenes where the lights dim slowly as you start a movie. You can have the porch light turn on automatically when the sun goes down. All of this happens behind the scenes. Your guests will never even know the tech is there. They will just see a beautiful home that seems to anticipate your every move. It is the ultimate stealth upgrade for the modern living space. It feels like magic, but it is just really smart engineering tucked into a tiny box. Opening up an electrical panel can feel like performing surgery on your house. The wires look like a tangled mess. But this device is designed to be as friendly as possible for the hobbyist. It fits into standard wall boxes without forcing you to cram things in. Once you get it wired in, the software takes over. The setup process is surprisingly smooth. You do not have to jump through hoops or download 5 different apps just to get a light bulb to turn on. It uses that universal communication standard that everyone in the tech world is buzzing about. This means your gadgets can talk to each other without a translator. If you have a smart speaker in the kitchen and a different brand of tablet in the bedroom, they will all see this switch as a friend. It removes the wall that used to exist between different tech ecosystems. Beyond the convenience, there is a real sense of safety here. The internal hardware is built to handle the heat. It monitors its own temperature constantly. This is not some cheap knockoff. This is a serious piece of hardware designed to last for years. You're getting professional-grade reliability in a consumer-friendly package. It is the kind of upgrade that makes your life easier every single day. You will stop thinking about your lights entirely. They will just work when you need them, and stay off when you do not. That is the true mark of great technology. It should disappear into the background and let you live your life. This little module achieves that perfectly. It respects your design choices while giving you all the modern perks. You keep your style and your sanity. It is a rare win-win. in the world of home automation.